In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open Outlook on the web, jump into Word, Excel, or PowerPoint, and purchase Microsoft 365 so you can get Microsoft Copilot. We'll walk through the process step by step so you know exactly where to click and what to expect. Start by opening Outlook in your web browser. Any modern browser works fine. If you're not already signed in, go ahead and sign in with your Microsoft account so you can access your apps and files. Once Outlook on the web loads, look to the left side of the screen. You should see quick links or app icons for Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. Click any one of these. Choose the app you're most comfortable with. If you don't immediately see those options, look for the app launcher icon at the top left, often shown as a grid, and open Word, Excel, or PowerPoint from there. After you're redirected to the selected app, you'll land on its web homepage. Here, click Create Blank Document. Depending on the app, this might read Create a blank workbook or Create a blank presentation, but the idea is the same. Open a blank file so you're inside the editor. This matters because the next option we need typically appears in the editor interface. Once your blank file is open, look to the upper left area of the screen for an option that says Buy Microsoft 365. In some layouts, it may appear as Upgrade or Go Premium, but it serves the same purpose. Click that. This will take you to Microsoft's Purchase or Upgrade page. On the Purchase page, you can select the plan that fits your needs. This is where you can get access to Microsoft Copilot by purchasing an eligible license. Depending on your account type, you may see plans that include Copilot or allow you to add Copilot as an add-on. If you're using a work or school account, your organization's administrator may need to enable or assign licenses. Also, make sure you're signed into the correct account you want the license tied to before you complete checkout. After you complete the purchase, Copilot features will start appearing across your Microsoft 365 apps, including Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and Outlook on the web. If you don't see them immediately, give it a little time for the license to apply and refresh your browser. And that's it. Open Outlook on the web, pick Word, Excel, or PowerPoint, create a blank file, click Buy Microsoft 365, and purchase a plan to get Copilot. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you get set up quickly and confidently.